Welcome. Today, we're going to dive into the important topic of factory resetting your laptop. But what exactly does it mean? There are several reasons you might consider a factory reset. Slow performance, malware infections, or simply preparing your laptop for a new owner are some of the most common. Before you hit that reset button, make sure to back up your important data. You don't want to lose any vital files in the process. You'll encounter two main options: keep my files and remove everything. Choose wisely based on what you need. Mac users, don't worry. Resetting your Mac OS is equally straightforward. Restart your Mac and hold Command plus R to access recovery mode. During the reset, your laptop will erase everything and restore the system to its original state. This process can take some time, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, you'll go through the initial setup process. Select your language, sign in, and get ready to set up your new environment. It's normal to encounter some issues after a reset. Common problems include driver issues or software installations. Don't hesitate to seek help. In conclusion, maintaining your laptop after a reset is crucial. Keep it updated, regularly back up your data, and be mindful of the software you install.